Hi, it's Randy Rolfe from the Institute for Creative Solutions, sharing foundational concepts about vibrant health through natural living. Please subscribe if you like what I'm sharing. I want to talk to you about today is additives in food. It sounds so good. Okay, we're adding something. Isn't that good? No. Additives are chemical concoctions designed to make the food last longer or behave differently so that you think it's food, but it's non-food. They're manipulating real foods to make them hyper-palatable so that you can't resist them and you want more and you'll finish the whole bag or the whole package or you'll buy extra. And they're just trying to save money on things they can make people eat so that they can make more profit. I'm sorry, but that is really what's happening. Food is necessary for everybody, and if you can make more money supplying it, why not? If you can convince people that these chemicals are okay and make them eat them, that's so that it's cheaper to you than trying to give people food, then you make more profit. But our bodies don't like that. Our bodies need real food. We've evolved over at least 2 million years to rely on food. And we have no idea how many the things that are in our food are not food. They are actually toxins. And as they accumulate in the body, we have to get rid of them. We have to detox. So it's a whole another stress on the body, even worse probably than the refined foods, the refined sugars, the refined salts, the refined oils, the refined proteins, the refined fats. We are told that those are really bad, they're over-processed, but it's all the chemicals that are being put into the food that are a challenge. They can be carcinogenic, they can be endocrine disruptors, which means they can cause cancer, they can change our hormones so that we don't feel the way we're supposed to feel, and we mess up our circadian rhythm or our monthly rhythm if we're a woman. So these kinds of things just clog up the works, literally, and can keep our biome, our synergistic bacterial population in our gut from doing what they need to do if they have to deal with all these chemicals that no living thing has ever seen until 50 years ago. So think about that you don't need anything that's not food. And if they tell you that, oh, we have to do this to get more food for people, check the numbers. There is plenty of food being created on this earth to feed everyone. It's very, very clear, the numbers. And the only problem is distributing it properly and letting the local people grow the food they know they need to eat. And if we stop insisting that they just make coffee and chocolate, but make real foods like grains and beans and seeds and fruits for a balanced diet, and maybe some goats and sheep and ducks and chickens, then we don't need any of those additives. So don't let those long labels convince you that, oh, I guess these are all right, the government's permitting them. They're still not food, and the accumulation is being associated more and more with our chronic diseases today. So that's it for today. Watch out for those additives and get a copy of my book, The Single Ingredient Diet.